416 stainless steel bars are truly unique, and they have properties that benefit various industries. 416 stainless steel is a type of martensitic stainless steel that contains sulfur, which enhances its machinability. Its high carbon content gives it excellent hardness and strength, making it ideal for applications that require durability and corrosion resistance. 416 stainless steel round bars are used in a variety of industries, including aerospace, automotive, and medical. It's commonly used to make screws, bolts, shafts, and other components that require high strength and resistance to corrosion, thanks to its excellent machining and corrosion resistance properties. 416 stainless steel is a popular choice for applications where precision and reliability are crucial. At Advanced Grinding, we take pride in providing our customers with high-quality 416 stainless steel round bars. Our state-of-the-art, centerless grinding machines ensure that each bar is precisely ground to meet your exact specifications. Whether you need a single bar or thousands, we've got you covered. So if you're looking for a reliable supplier of 416 stainless steel round bars, look no further. Contact us today to learn more about our products and services.